So guys, we have our sample project on. Now tab on plus, shape, then select the stroke line shape, edit shape, change the 0.1 y value to -100 and x value to -500, which will make it parallel with the bottom or top. Then change 0.2 x value to 500. Now our line is covering the full width of our video. Move and transform. Position the progress bar where you want. Border and shadow. Change the stroke width. Totally up to you. Change the progress bar border color to the color you want. Give the shape layer same length as the video clip. Duplicate the shape layer. Select the new layer, border and shadow. Change the stroke color. Reduce the stroke size. Duplicate the layer. Select the new layer. Change the stroke color. This will be our main progress bar color. Now go to edit shape, 0.2. Now we are at our starting position. Make a keyframe by clicking on this icon. Change the 0.2 x value to -500, same as the 0.1 x value. Now the duration of the progress bar, suppose 5 seconds. Again change the 0.2 x value to 500. Let's see what we have so far. See, it's little simple. Now just group these layers and we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.